Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing slash unbagging of this item sitting here that looks like it came from eBay. I don't know what it is because I already received everything I ordered from eBay. So let's check it out together. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and I'll see you guys there. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for stopping in. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I'm not sure what this is. I technically received everything I was supposed to receive from eBay. This right here is the last thing I purchased from eBay. Maybe I was sent something that I already received, but the system on eBay's end said that it was never delivered. I don't know. But we'll cut it open real quick, take a look. What is this? Some cables of some kind. Oh. Interesting. So I already received these. These are those cables that I showed you guys like 5 or 6 videos or more ago. HDMI and USB. I could have swore up and down I already received these. It's got the mounts. It has the little cover that goes on the front face to cover the front face. It's got the 2 nuts and a bag of screws. Interesting. I'm pretty sure I already showed you guys these. This might just be a quick little unboxing. No. Maybe the system showed that it wasn't received. I don't know. I'm not really sure why I would have gotten... I only ordered 2. I'm not sure why I ended up with 4. But yeah, I'll keep them. They'll definitely come in handy. Probably maybe sell one, or... I don't think I'll sell them. Unless somebody needs these. But these cables work really well. I actually use them on this stereo. I actually have one sitting right here. That was hooked to this stereo that I took out of the SR5 after I got into that wreck. This cable was actually hanging out of the window because my window was down when I got into the wreck. The tow truck driver and the insurance never put it back in the vehicle, so it ended up staying in the rain because the day I got in my wreck, the next 4 days it rained in Arizona, literally. So this one actually has some kind of rust on it, which I'm sure this one will still work. I could probably clean the rust out and everything. But these cables work really well. Very, very well. For this cable, I never actually used the mount. Because the last time I bought these cables, not this time, or the last couple videos, 4 or 5 videos ago, but when I bought that cable, I actually bought 2 of those cables. One's in the Excursion, this one was in the SR5. These mounts right here, I've actually never used these, but they're good mounts. I just actually ran this under the shifter console pieces and hid it right next to the driver's seat. So you could just plug straight into it and do whatever you're gonna do. The HDMI is for the back of the stereo, because this Mavic 8200 NEX, I have 3 of them. I have this one. I have one in a box waiting to be installed into the limited. This one is going back in the SR5 that it came out of. In the living room, the room on the other side of this wall, there's one in a box with all of its cables and everything needed to hook it up for the limited. So I appreciate the seller sending another set. I'm not sure if the system stated that it wasn't delivered or something. Maybe that's why he sent another set instead of contacting me and letting me know. He probably just sent another set because the system told him it wasn't received or it was lost. Who knows? You know, UPS, United States Postal Service, loses stuff all the time. It wouldn't be shocking to me if they thought that it wasn't delivered. I did receive it. I'm 100% positive I did a video, 2 videos, an guess what's in the box video and an unboxing video on these 2 exact same cables. But I appreciate the seller for sending them. I'll definitely use them. And if I don't use them, I'll leave them in these baggies until I do need them. Eventually, after 10 plus years, they may need to be replaced eventually, just like that one. I would prefer to replace this one instead of reinstalling that one. But it ends up being, this is a pretty quick video. I bought these, I believe, from a eBay store called 12 Volt Max, if I remember correctly. Very nice guy. I've ordered from him hundreds of times before. Packages usually always show up on time, sometimes early for the most part. He's always responsive, always wants to help. So I'll try to remember to put the eBay link for these, as well as the one that I bought that was, instead of the HDMI and USB, I did buy 2 that were USB-C and USB-C 3.0 ports, both of them. Same style cable. So I'll try to link that cable, the 2 USB-C 3.0 ports cable, as well as this cable with the HDMI and USB in the link below. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. As always, check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. I do also have an Ulsa Tools link on the top of the description below that would get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. And look at that, my watch actually finally started working. My watch has been blank for the last 4 days where the screen wouldn't turn on. That's pretty nice to see. Yeah, it's actually functioning again. Awesome. I got a little sweat in it, and it decided to shut the screen down until the sweat dried, I guess. But all links are affiliate links. They do help out the channel. I want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, subscribed, not subscribed, people that stop by and just watch videos. You guys are the reason the channel is monetized, and I want to say thank you to all of you guys, as well as I want to say thank you to Polar Bear Ed, Lawn Care Juggernaut, and Blake's Restoration. Those are the 3 members of the channel. They do pay a small little amount every month to be a part of the channel as a member. I want to say thank you to them because they are the reason that some things, their little bit amount of money helps. So it does help get things for the channel. Picks up a couple hand tools here and there for the channel with that money as well. If you use affiliate links, it always goes back into the channel, whether you PayPal me money, you join the Patreon account, you join the members, which the members on YouTube is just like Patreon. It's just integrated into YouTube. And if you do super chats, it's all very much appreciated. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you guys have any question about these, let me know down below. I've got a lot of experience with these cables. They work very well. I've actually had one in one vehicle for a little over 12 or so years now. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!